To make a spiral macrame keychain, we need two cords of 100 centimeters each. Take both ends and join them together, folding the cord in half. Now push the folded loop behind the lock and pull the ends up and through the loop. This is called a lark's head knot. Repeat the same procedure for the second cord. Make sure to secure it tight. Now secure the lock with tape to enable easy knotting of the cords. To begin with, take the outer right cord and cross it over two middle cords and the outer left cord, placing it over the outer right cord and under the two middle cords. Pull it tight to secure it in place. Again, take the outer right cord and repeat the process. You can see a twist forming. Continue with the spiral knots and make sure you always put the right cord on top first, as this will make the knot spiral. Once you are happy with the length of the spiral, take the longest cord and wrap it around twice. This forms a loop and you put the cord through it. And secure it tight. You can now cut the remaining cord. Trim the bottom cords as per your required length. Use a comb to fray the ends of the cord till it looks like a tassel. And voila! Our macrame spiral keychain is now ready.